How to make GIF from videos on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us get started. First, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to a chat. After you're on the DMs of the person that you want to send your GIFs to, simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom. After you tap on the plus icon, tap on the photos. After you tap on the photos icon, simply select a video. After you do that, you will need to make sure that you resize your videos and make sure it is below 6 seconds. Now this only works for videos. Those are 6 seconds or less than 6 seconds. After you select the appropriate size, simply you will see this option right here that says videos or GIFs. Now toggle this to GIF, and after you do that, all you need to do is tap on the send option, and now you have just sent a GIF to your friend from a video on WhatsApp. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.